Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and opening the tools you need. Make sure your channel meets partner program eligibility and sign into the Google account you'll use for Adsense. Once signed into YouTube Studio, go directly to the Monetization tab and follow the prompts to apply or check status. When prompted to start Adsense linking, choose the existing Adsense account or create a new one. Keep login details handy. This reduces delays and prevents accidental creation of duplicate Adsense accounts. Now you'll handle the middle steps that actually connect the two services. First, finish Adsense verification. Enter payment details, confirm identity, and provide tax info if required. Next, in YouTube Studio, confirm the channel owner and click the prompt to link Adsense. Choose the appropriate account when multiple are listed. Grant the required permissions so YouTube can view earnings. Make sure to watch for the confirmation message in your Adsense email. Once received, monetization settings become active and revenue reporting will start syncing. Finish by enabling ad formats and adjusting monetization preferences on your channel, skippable ads, display ads, and overlays. Double-check Adsense payout threshold and payment method so you receive funds once earnings reach the minimum. Once everything is set, monitor the Revenue tab for initial impressions and RPM changes. If linking fails, make sure you use the same Google account, disable conflicting account access, and resolve any duplicate Adsense accounts. If problems persist, contact Google support with clear account ID and recent error messages for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.